Hi guys, come with me. Let's make breakfast for my kids. So today I will be making pancake. It's one of my kids' favorite meal. They like taking it with tea. Making pancake is very easy. Can also try it at home and make it for your kids. One thing I like about pancake is that very satisfying. Once I give it to my children, before they will ask for something else, it will be later in the day.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed.